Hello traders, so in this video we are going to be discussing the Bollinger Band Squeeze Indicator, all right, or the BB Squeeze Indicator. So let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. All right, here we have the BB Squeeze, drag and drop. Okay, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then you can also modify the input settings according to your taste, the period, the dev, Kelt period, and so on, right? Now, this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, the BB squeeze indicator helps you to quickly identify moments in the market when volatility is low. All right, when volatility is low and a significant price movement is likely to occur. Okay, so it is based on the concept of squeeze, which happens when the market consolidates within a narrow range before breaking out into a strong trend. All right, now even from the inputs, you will realize that the indicator combines elements from the Bollinger Bands and the Keltner channels. That is why we have settings for Bollinger and we have settings for Keltner, right? So now from what we can see on the chart, you will realize that these green bars and red bars are how we get our signals. So when we have the green bars above the zero level, it is showing us buy signal. All right, when we have the red bars below the zero level, it's showing us sell signal. It's just pretty straightforward, okay, for easy understanding. All right, so when you have the green bars begin to form, you want to look out for buy confirmations. Ensure you always get your confirmations first before executing a trade. For example, here we had a breakout from this bearish trend line, and then we already had these green bars begin to form, so this would have been a good place to enter a buy trade, right? And then you know, for the sell signal, we can see that we already started having, you know, a downward channel at this point. You can see we already started having a downward channel, and then you can see the signal finally showed up here. All right, and you can see how we had this strong sell candle, but when the signal started showing was somewhere around here, right? So ideally would have just waited for confirmation before executing. Okay, so the green indicates buy signals, the red indicates sell signals, right? So you can look out for additional confirmations before executing your trade. Pay attention to your price action, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and you can also use other indicators for additional confirmation. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.